In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the rupee symbol in Microsoft PowerPoint. This simple guide will walk you through the steps, ensuring you can add this widely used currency symbol with ease, especially if you're working on presentations that pertain to financial topics or business proposals involving transactions in Indian rupees. First, let's start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's worth mentioning as it is the very first step towards achieving our goal. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the specific presentation you're working on. You can do this by clicking on File in the top menu, selecting Open, and then choosing your desired presentation document. Once your presentation is open, it's time to zero in on the slide that includes the text box where you want to insert the rupee symbol. Navigate through your presentation until you find the correct slide. It could be a financial slide, summarizing costs perhaps, or a marketplace analysis slide. When you've located the correct slide, click on the text box where you would like the rupee symbol to appear. Clicking on the text box ensures that you're ready to make edits and additions to the text, setting the stage for the next and most crucial step. Now for the magic to happen, simply press Alt and then type in the following numbers. 837. It's important to note that you should hold down the Alt key while typing each number in sequence using the numeric keypad on your keyboard. Once you've done this, you'll see the rupee symbol quite effortlessly inserted into your text box. And there you have it, you've successfully inserted the rupee symbol into your PowerPoint slide. If you're working with text-heavy slides, the use of symbols can enhance readability and clarity, helping your audience quickly associate values with their respective currencies. Just as we've done it here in PowerPoint, these steps vary slightly in other Microsoft Office programs like Word or Excel, but the principle remains consistent. With this newfound skill, you can seamlessly integrate the rupee symbol into your slides, making your presentations not only more professional, but also appropriately tailored for audiences who deal in rupees. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. If you have any questions or require further clarification, feel free to leave those in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Microsoft Office products. Until next time, happy presenting,